About 3 hours north of Adelaide, South Australia, is the picturesque Mount Remarkable summit hike. The most commonly used trail starts on the east side of the national park from the small town of Melrose and winds around the side of Mount Remarkable Range, gradually working its way upwards for approximately 6 kilometres. For those familiar with the more demanding hikes deeper in the Flinders Ranges, this one ascends at a much more leisurely rate and is only mildly demanding. There are numerous visual delights as you ascend, with the diverse wildlife and plant life that can be seen here. In particular, you can expect to see kookaburras and a variety of parrots, honey-eaters, thornbills, and the occasional scarlet robin, along with goannas, lizards and skinks. Around Melrose and the lower parts of the hike there are many river redgums, and these are replaced with porcupine grass, blue gums, sugar gums and various types of box trees. You may also notice a lot of ants congregating together in patches. Some of them are quite large. There are in fact at least 20 species of ants to be found on Mount Remarkable alone. Having hiked extensively in the Flinders Ranges, you can't help but notice certain individual features that are not to be found on every other peak. And one of the things that characterises Mount Remarkable is the numerous scree slopes that you cross as you ascend. These developed as fractures deep within the rock, and as they became more exposed by erosion, the rock fragments gradually broke apart, resulting in large slopes of loose rock. Care must be taken when crossing these to ensure that you don't fall awkwardly and injure an ankle. On one of the scree slopes near the top, if you look very closely, you can see wreckage of a light aircraft that crashed into Mount Remarkable in 1980. Apparently it was on its way to Adelaide on the 3rd of July, and although there was a subsequent search the following day, there were no survivors. As you get closer to the summit, the trail joins a larger fire access track and passes what is called the Mount Remarkable Summit Camp, although the summit itself is actually a couple of hundred metres further along the track and slightly higher. Although not to be depended on, there is a water tank here that can be used. Mount Remarkable was named by Edward John Eyre on the 27th of June 1840, and he wrote this: "From our present encampment a very high pointed hill was visible far to the north-northwest. This, from the lofty way it towered above the surrounding hills, I named Mount Remarkable."